That's a nice mirror on that joint. I work perk for you, dog.
What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this. I'ma do that. I'ma do this. When I do this, look at all this heat up here. You got. All right. If you didn't know, now you know. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Lane, I'm gonna go. Give me your beat. Camaro gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know.
What up, YouTube? Y'all know where we at. Cars and coffee, baby. Fast lane, you dig? Little Hills Parkway. Actually, cars is about to roll out, but it's all good. We're going over here to that light, man. This here is brought to you by GoPro Max 360. You know what I'm saying? R.I.P. Cuzzo live. Definitely rep your name and keep you alive. You love the gold rush, you know? Trans Am 392. Woo! People love the gold rush, though. Trans Am here. Probably made it late, but it's all good. What's going on? We'll get a few cars anyway. So. Yeah, we get a few of them anyway. Y'all like that? There's GTO right here. Lights on and everything. Vet, C8 vet. Not sure what year. Haven't did too much studying on these yet. But we know this is just a regular C8, just a Stingray. Some people ain't got their DO6s yet. CT500. Like that. Nice color on the truth. Nice. Gotta pay homage to the Camaro, bro. You know I am a Camaro channel, so we gotta pay homage to what we drive. This here is just a car right here. It's my car older brother or sister, you know. Beautiful thing right there. SS. I ain't gonna stunt, man. I think I might have to get me an old one too. 5.0 thing. I mess around and go on this highway and catch some action for real. It's kind of cold. And he ain't getting straight pipe. That must sound good though. It's never a dull moment when you come see some cars, man. I'm gonna go over here and watch some of them do their burnouts and get on the highway. You know, shout out to Pontiac, Stains, CCSG thing, yes sir. GT, but yeah, man, cool event. Look at this old school here. It's some. Probably get out of here in a few. It's kind of cold. You know how we get y'all some cars, man. One thing for sure, two things for certain. We're gonna get y'all some cars. Beautiful, ain't it? Nice color too. 1932. Yes, sir. Needs a lot of work done. YouTube. I probably should have, you know, put that shit on today. Put some clothes on a little bit. I'm out here kind of bummy. It's all good. I could have got me some pictures by these Camaros. Look at this one here. Z28. That's the SS Z28. You know what I'm saying? It's different. Know the difference. Beautiful though. White G's in it. Look at that. That's my cut right there. You know what he's doing? But we don't want to block that for no copyright, you know? So I'm gonna get away from here in a minute. But check this out. Alright? Check it out. Yeah, it's done. It's LS swap, baby. You know what's up with them? That's that joint right there. That's that joint right there. Ain't nobody. Yeah, that slaps. We got to get away from there. Let's go check out some more. You know, I might want to get me an old school one day. You know, just check out the prices and stuff. This one costs more than my car right now, and I'm the newer car. But you know how classics move. This car look good though. It costs more than mine. 74K. It's all good. It is more still ain't too fond of trucks or whatever. I'm a car man myself. Just like to see all cars. Boy, look at this Land Rover here. This mother costs hellas. It's hellas. They got plastic on some of these joints. Right here. Plastic. You know what it is up on there. Know what it is. That's the Z28 thing. We'll get this for the OG right here. We love these. Know what it is. Old Riviera. Shout out to Pops. Shout out to Grandpa. One of his cars we always talk about, the Riviera. This mug here is so clean. I would ride this right now. Super clean. Super clean. I like these too. You know what I'm saying? I would ride this too. I don't expect for it to be clocking this one, but for some reason, man, my country roots start popping out, and I like this car actually. I would ride it. Look at this cutlass though. Look at this cutlass. Clean. Clean. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get up out of here in a minute, you know. Came out here and checked out a few cars. Boy, look at this stuff. 25K for these old schools. It really gets serious. I'm probably gonna have to slide out in a minute, go fill up on some of that E85 to be exact. You know, I'll reveal a little bit. Y'all do know, you know, I did some work last year, boat on some shit like that, you know. Pretty much, that must sound good right there. But yeah, pretty much, you know, E85 tune. I got Rotofab on there. You know, I did a little something. Look at that. Yeah, that sounds good, man. CA fit. Probably finna get out of here so I can catch some smoke from one of these OGs. That mug sound good. Real good. Oh, he blacked out the SS. Now, that's hard. Might have to see about that. Might have to cop me one of these. Man, boy, I want these 1LEs so bad. Y'all tell me the 1LEs don't look way better. Tips on it. What do you got? Look like all you I don't know. American Racing probably on his. This bad CT. This bad joint right here too. Yeah. Well, warm start. Attack. But I'm finna get up out of here, man. Seen enough. Car a little dirty. Is what it is. Got that new Bronco up there that I showed y'all on the last video. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for tuning in. We finna get up out of here, right? I'm gonna roll up and down the highway, see if I can catch some smoke on the way home. I didn't put this GoPro in the back of here. It's a little cold, and we'll just wait. I'll put it on later. Anyway. Sound like a deeper sound in the boy. I got boiler on mine.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm like, man, I heard you start it up. I had to hear it.
It's loud on startup.
Yeah.
You have the valves on yours?
No, not anymore. They took those off.
Oh, okay.
All right, nice. It was a nice rev on the. He got AU. What was it again? AWE, right?
AWE.
Yeah, that AWE exhaust on there. Must sound good. Nice and loud on the startup. I know I said I was out of here. Y'all heard, I'll give y'all one too. Give y'all one too. Somebody might want it. Fuck with that Camaro. Smoke on that motherfucker. It got turbo on it too, or whatever, but it's like. Gotta let them know. You let them in.
I got that on camera, motherfucker!
I don't be doing the slide. Less that, man. Can't be having no plates on your shit. Doing that.
Is he gonna do it?
Damn, said fuck all of that, huh?
He say fuck him.
Woo. But yet, boy, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Look, thank y'all for tuning in to the channel. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. Y'all be sure to check out Lil Bro, right? D Nasty 314. He got like underscores and stuff in there and all of that. But if you pop in D Nasty 314, you see that Camaro on it, you gonna know what it is. You know what it do. You know what it does. So anyway, anyhow, thank y'all for tuning in. Big ups again to Lil Cuzzo. Shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? R.I.P. to you, dog. We're gonna keep your name alive, man, straight up. Wearing purple for you probably get long live, Lil or something on the side. But look, man, your color was purple, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm rocking that. You know, my color is red, but yours was purple, and that's what we're gonna do. So anyway, anyhow, I appreciate all y'all, man. Stay up, stay down, do what you do, and I'm out.